Anyways, hey, what's up YouTube? What do I want to say? Like, what do I want to say? Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another vlog, a day in the life vlog. Well, a couple of days in the life. But as you can tell by the intro, we kind of have a lot to get into in today's video, girl. So without further ado, I don't want to make this intro way too long. Just make sure you subscribe. Okay, say what's up, say hey in the comments. Let me know that you made it here. Let me know that you have arrived, honey. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to figure out what I want to start this video off with. What clip? We're gonna start from a morning and then we're gonna continue on with this vlog. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Good morning, YouTube. I kind of slept in this morning because I was hungover, honestly I was. Now I'm about to go ahead and just clean up my room because it is clothes everywhere, like everywhere. So I just need to go ahead and clean up my room. I don't know what we're doing today, you guys. It is Friday, so we're gonna figure it out. I know I have to record a try on haul video, so I will do that for sure, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna get my speaker and play some music so I can go ahead and start cleaning, so.
Niggas can't fuck with you, man.
Alright. Okay, so right now I already ordered the hang tags. I ordered the clear bags, clear resealable bags. I ordered my tape and everything. I did do the custom tape, so I'm good. So right now what I'm doing is going through my inventory. I have a lot of inventory that I need to hang up, get it organized, and make count of everything that I have. So I got my little sticky notes. Say no. It just might be a hope. Love is a losing game. I just want you, babe. Sweet love, yeah. I didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you so. I should have held on tight, I never should have let you go. I didn't know nothing, I was stupid, I was foolish, I was lying to myself. I couldn't have fathomed I would ever be without your love. Never imagined I'd be sitting here beside myself. Cause I didn't know you, cause I didn't know me, but I knew everything. I never felt the feeling that I'm feeling now that I don't hear. Okay, so I made a Black Friday to-do list, so I'm just checking in to see what I have going. Okay, so I had to plan out my Black Friday sale, double check all inventory on and off hand, check, reach out to Jasmine, check, fully restocked website. I need to still tweak some things. I need to record a mini bag collection. I don't know if I'm gonna record that video today, even though I should, but we'll see. I'm just gonna scratch this out and then read this board. I've been working on it, putting in overtime. Singing the whip on the boogie, the strip in my windows is tinted as well.
So I'm trying to vlog while trying to get some work done. As you guys can see, I had a very long 2 days or so. I just got off work I just got home from work about an hour ago. I ate dinner and now I'm trying to knock out as much work as I can before I hit the sheets. I have my lemon juice. I drank most of it, but I'm probably gonna make some more because it was just so freaking good. Excuse my hair, excuse my face, just know your girl is tired. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna just try to focus on getting this video edited, and I'll probably be back with you guys in a little second once I get to a good place. We're gonna have us a good night.
I know it's been too long. I've been on the road too much. Had to get back to you. And you. Can't even play it cool. Thinking about them nights I would've loved you. I wanna have some good fun tonight.
Okay, can y'all see me? Or am I too close? I feel like I'm too close. Good morning, you guys. I don't even want to tell y'all what day it is because I'm struggling with this vlog, but we moved. So I went to Kroger this morning, not Kroger, I went to Target this morning because I realized I needed some skincare stuff because I just need my skin to fill up right now. It's been feeling dry and just dusty, crusty. Don't even get me started. So I went to Target, no list, just vibes. And let me tell you guys, I'm not hype on just buying stuff. Excuse? I just cannot deal. It's always something. But anyways, I'm cheap. I love a deal, I love a budget. Mostly everything on here is $2 to $3 except for one item. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this Target haul. I got this deep clean toner. I believe this was $2.99. I needed some toner just because no list, just the vibes. I know I've been needing some toner. And of course I needed some cotton pads. I got these cotton pads for $1.99. I don't really wear makeup that much anymore, but when I just want to like wipe off my face, I just needed some quick wipes. I really was trying to be cheap, y'all. I had a budget. So these wipes were 99 cents. Hopefully they don't break me out, but they're unscented. It's 30 wipes. And it was the cutest one. So I was like, 99 cents, cool. Facial cleanser. This one actually has those little bubble sud thingies. This is the Up and Up Invigorating Facial Cleanser, oil free. And I got this for $3.59. Razors, I've seen some new razors. These were like $2.59. I got me some nail polish because girl, these toes, I just cannot. I'm like, I look down and I'm just like, whose feet are these? And it's winter. Technically it's winter, but it's warm outside, and I just don't feel like spending like $20, $30 on a gel thing of toes. I just don't want to do it. So for now, I feel like I can handle doing my toes with some $2 nail polish. I also got this Nair face cream. Girl, don't even get me started. So I got that. And then I got this Sally Hansen wax. So I've been wanting to try waxing at home for a minute. This one comes with a jar that you heat up, and it comes with like spatulas and stuff. Ooh, this is kind of cute. Let me show you guys actually. All right, you guys, so this is the box right here. And so when you open up the box, this is what you would get. So they give you this all over body wax. This is very difficult to try to film for you guys. But yes, this is the all over body wax. Let me open it. Oh wow, I have something. Oh no. Girl, it's these nails. And then it comes with these popsicle stick. It comes with this, I think this is alcohol. What is this? finishing oil. Papers. Ooh, okay, so I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna do a separate video. Yes, I can't wait to try it. All of this stuff was like $2 to $3. Everything that I got was like $2 to $3. What else is in here? Oh, and then I have this. I just got this out my car, but it was in my Target bag, so I'm gonna show you guys anyway. So, I got this honestly because it said confidence and success, and I was all here for it. I loved the minimal packaging, and it actually smells good. Honestly, you guys, I spray this 1,000 freaking times. So I'll be like, I spray this all over me 1,000 times, so that's why so much of it is gone. But yeah, so this is my little haul. I'm about to actually take a shower. I'm about to use a couple of these things. Let me know if you guys want the video of me doing a wax at home, but I'm about to take a shower and get ready for my day. I have a lot to do today. My sister is coming over, family stuff. I have some work stuff to do. Today is my last off day, so let's get into it. Ooh, I also should show you guys these nails I got. Hopefully my battery doesn't die. Okay, so I want to do a quick little shout out because I ordered some press-on nails from my girl. Her name is PSA Monet Nails. I think PSA Monet Nails. Oh my gosh, I ordered some nails from her before and I love them, and I wanted another kind. So this is the old box that I had. I think I just have like some lashes in here, like. So that's that. But my new nails came. Thank you so much for buying another set of nails for me. I hope you enjoy your nails. XOXO. Gave me this little bag. It has a nail file and nail clipper. And then y'all, she custom made these nails for me because I asked her if she can do, Okay, so I just had to, fuck. What the heck? Hold on real quick. Alright, so after this, so after all that struggle, these are my nails. She made like a custom marble, but as you can see, I will be taking these off soon and putting on my nails. So if you guys are looking for a black-owned business to support, definitely check her out. I'll leave her Instagram and everything down in the comments below.